In this video I'm going to show how to analyze negative keywords and add them in AdWords so they're blocked off from showing. So here I am in AdWords. I have 3 campaigns for 3 different websites actually for the same client. So in a lot of cases you're gonna have different campaigns targeting either different cities or different services. So in this case we have G-Zone Auto Glass, which is an auto glass shop. They specialize in auto glass repair and replacement services in these 4 cities, so each campaign targets the specific city. Okay, so let's go to the first campaign and then we'll go to the keyword section, and then we'll just click this and go search terms. So this will show us all the search terms. When doing a negative keyword analysis, we want you to look at either if you're doing the analysis on an ongoing monthly basis, then you want to look at the previous month, which in this case was July. But if you're asked to do a keyword analysis for 3 months, then you would set this for 3 months. Look at data for 3 months. In this example, we're just going to do the 1 month. But like I said, you might be asked to just analyze the account for negative keywords for 3 months. In that case, you would select 3 months here. So you want to line them up by impression. Start off with the most important, and then you have to go to the list. So negative keywords are obviously keywords that we don't want to show up for. And in order to do that, you have to understand certain things in AdWords, and I'm going to explain those right now. So for this client, we have Speedy Glass. This is an actual competitor. So it's a keyword that we're targeting because we want to show up when somebody searches for Speedy Glass. So that's not a negative keyword. And a lot of times, competitors will not be negative keywords unless the client specifies it. So windshield repair, Apple Auto Glass, another competitor, Speedy Auto Glass repair, windshield replacement, Speedy Glass. So you're just going through this list to find out keywords that are not relevant. Let's see if I can find one here quickly. So we can see this keyword here, car sun visor. That's not relevant, so we're just going to click that. See, we found a keyword like this, Gryphon Glass, Windsor, Ontario. That's not relevant. We don't even know what that is. So I mean, if there's a word that you don't know what it is, you can always do a search for it. Gryphon Glass. It's it looks like they do glass on things, so you can just confirm that it's not relevant. So replace vent glass, the client does that. Side mirror glass, the client does that. And in case if you're not sure if the client repairs side mirror glass, we want you to ask us. So we want you to record keywords you're unsure of and send them to us, so we can confirm them with the client. So here they're asking what is the cost of a windshield, so that's obviously somebody looking for the service, so they're relevant, and this is a good keyword. And windshield repair pay deductible, that's also relevant, somebody looking for to see companies that pay the deductible, so this company definitely does that. Big truck windshield replacement, so once again this is a keyword where you would actually send it to us to confirm with the client, do they repair glass on big trucks. So I don't even know the answer to this question, so I'm going to ask the client this keyword RO is Dr. Windshield. It's questionable, but I mean they did look for windshields, so I'll just leave that. So here we have DMT Automotive. That's not relevant, it's not about glass, and we could look it up. What is that? Transmission and performance. So not sure why it came up for that, so we'll definitely add that as a negative keyword. Go Glass. I don't know what Go Glass is. It's a competitor, very small one, so I'm just gonna add this since I don't think anybody but the owner is looking for that. Rental car, Burlington, Ontario, so that's definitely irrelevant here. You can see the client paid $5.25 a click. He does not do rental cars. SUV glass hinge. Not sure what that is. Windshield sun deflector. The client does not sell deflectors, so we're gonna add that. Okay, so this is a good sample of keywords, and then we're gonna go add as negative keyword here. And you can see he's gonna ask us that as ad group or campaign. We're adding these on a campaign level. Sometimes, in specific circumstances, it might be on an ad group level, but in this case, it's campaign. And you can see here this will add the exact match phrases, so we'll add that one time, and then I'm going to go again and add as negative keywords because they're still selected. And then this time I'm going to also select campaign, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to get these keywords out, and I'll put quotation marks to make it a phrase match. So anybody searching for a visor with any other keywords, they'll never show up. Anyone searching for Gryphon, it won't show up. DMT, automotive. See, in this case, you know, you can't block out automotive. I'm just gonna block out DMT. Okay, and then I'm gonna go glass. We can just leave it as is. In this case, we can just put it like that, go glass, since we already added this version. So let's get another version of it. Rental car. So rental, we're gonna take that out and put rental, so we never come up for any keywords there. And sun deflectors, we're just gonna put deflect. Okay, so that'll capture any keyword that has those ones in it. And there you have it. That's how you do negative keyword research, negative keyword analysis in AdWords.